Introducing T-Water Shower. T-Water Shower is a water-saving, high-pressure filtration showerhead. T-Water Shower is using the innovative spray plate with micropore technology. The micro droplets create a gentle yet strong massaging action, relieve sore shoulder and back muscles. T-Water Shower can boost the force under normal pressure to conserve 30% water and save your money. 249 cyclonic holes reaching diameters as tiny as 0.3 millimeters. There are 3-tier filtration in the grip handle, provides clean, soft water, purify water, and release aromatherapy. And there are also 5 aroma options: lemon, lavender, rose, mint, and unscented. In the showerhead, the collagen, nanotourmaline powder, vitamin C, and innovative spray plate work together as the 4-tier filtration. This 4-tier filtration will replenish the water in the skin and antioxidation. T-Water Shower is proved to improve epidermis hydration by at least 15%. T-Water Shower used an ergonomic design, and it's very comfortable to hold. T-Water Shower is made of top-quality ABS material, temperature-resistant, durable, and elegant. T-Water Shower is also compatible with most major shower equipments and very easy to install. T-Water Shower, a better way to enjoy your shower.